Navigating the Maze of Idioms. Avoid common mistakes. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to delve into a particularly interesting part of learning English: idiomatic expressions. We all know idioms can spice up our conversations, but they can also be a source of confusion. We'll be discussing the common pitfalls and challenges associated with using idiomatic expressions, and how to avoid them. So, let's get started. To effectively use idioms, it's essential to understand them in context. Misunderstandings often occur when idioms are taken literally or used in an inappropriate situation. Here, we'll provide several examples of this and explain how to avoid these errors. For instance, consider the idiom, kick the bucket. If used without understanding its context, it could lead to confusion, as it actually means, to die. It's not a phrase you'd want to use when talking about actual buckets. The best way to avoid this mistake is to learn idioms in context. Read books, listen to podcasts, or watch movies in English to see how these expressions are used naturally. Our second common pitfall is the overuse of idioms. While idioms can enhance your speech, stuffing your sentences with them can make your message unclear and even confusing. Remember, sometimes simplicity is key. For example, saying, "She cried her eyes out, then the cat got her tongue, so she decided to bury the hatchet and let sleeping dogs lie," is a confusing mishmash of idioms. It would be simpler, clearer, and more natural to say, "She cried a lot, then went quiet, so she decided to forgive and forget." In essence, while idioms can make your language more colorful, always strive for clarity and comprehension first. The third common mistake is misusing idioms. Not all idioms are suitable for all situations, especially in formal contexts. It's crucial to know when and where to use idioms properly. Consider the idiom, to bend over backwards. While it signifies a great effort, it's generally inappropriate for formal contexts like a business email or academic paper. Instead, using a phrase like, to go to great lengths, can express the same idea in a more formal manner. Remember, the appropriateness of an idiom depends on the context, audience, and tone of the conversation. And that's it for today's journey through the fascinating world of idiomatic expressions. By being mindful of these common pitfalls, understanding idioms in context, avoiding overuse, and using them appropriately, you can enhance your English speaking and writing skills. Remember, it's all about understanding and practice. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.